Today, we're looking at what makes Westpac's best transaction account stand out and why it's a strong everyday banking option for anyone wanting simplicity, reliability, and full digital convenience. A great transaction account should offer seamless access to your money, minimal fees, strong digital tools, and smooth payment features. Westpac delivers all of that through an account built for daily use without unnecessary complications. The key advantage is fee transparency. The account removes monthly service fees and avoids hidden charges, allowing you to manage your money without worrying about surprise deductions. Everyday transactions such as FPOS payments, online purchases, and transfers between accounts are processed instantly, making it practical for people who rely heavily on real-time banking. Westpac's mobile app is central to the account's convenience. It gives fast access to spending insights, card controls, balance tracking, and secure authentication. You can instantly lock or unlock your card, reset your PIN, and receive alerts for every transaction. The budgeting tools help you understand where your money goes so you can plan and manage spending with better accuracy. International usability is another strong feature. You can make global purchases online or in-store, supported by Visa's secure network. Even though standard currency conversion fees apply, the account remains reliable for international shopping and overseas travel. Digital wallet compatibility adds an extra layer of flexibility, supporting Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay so you can make tap payments directly from your phone or smartwatch. The account also integrates seamlessly with savings options. You can set up automatic transfers to a Westpac savings account, ensuring better financial discipline while keeping daily spending and long-term savings organized. As an everyday banking solution, this Westpac transaction account offers dependable performance, fee-friendly structure, strong digital tools, and smooth local and international usability, making it one of the most practical choices for managing your money efficiently.